it, Jess? What is it? What have you got? Is that a new toy for you, is it? Or is it a new toy for me? Hello guys, here I am back again, another video for you, and this is going to be an unboxing. And I don't know if you can see what on the side of the box here. Basically it's a pressure fed Sandblaster, and look at the way the dog's reacting. I think there must be something in there. So we'll have to have a look and see. There might be something living in there. I've got this from a company called Man Brands. They're on eBay, and it was unbelievably $89.99. Now I've had a look at the Machine Mark website, and it's not exactly the same, but it's very, very similar. It's $167.99, so quite a bargain really. So let's have a look and see what's in there. Then you get them, Jess. Then you get. Good girl. Right, so carefully cut the tape. Always going carefully. Go banging in there, you start to scratch stuff. Wait, let me. Go. And as you can see, I've got a very interesting dog. We've got an instruction manual and showing us some other stuff they make. 5% discount off. So put that there. Then we've got. I hate this. Why do companies keep using polystyrene? It's so annoying. I forget. Right, so let's see, we've got a couple of handles here, and then there's the support bar for the bottom of it, and then we've got a long tube and this really cheap, nasty, horrible gun on the end, which is awful, and I believe they wear out in minutes, so we shall see. Decent length hose, and it's a fairly tough hose by the look of it. And we've got a bag of screws, washers, some spare nozzles, which is cool, some PTFE tape, and then we've got polystyrene, more polystyrene, steel rod, not quite sure what that is yet. Got some wheels down in here as well. It's on the side of the box here. And lift the actual cylinder itself out. There's the cylinder. No, just leave it. Big funnel. This is the head protector. One wheel. And another wheel. As you can see, very interesting dog. So there we go guys, that is the KMS 10-gallon pressure fed Sandblaster, bought from Man Brands on eBay. As I say, $89.99, absolute bargain. I know they're a bit difficult to set up, they can be a bit tricky to get working. Apparently it's all about this valve on the bottom, not having that too far open. So there's the unboxing, and here we are, all built up. So this is it here, I stand next to it, you can see it's just below waist height, so it's not too big and cumbersome to store. I've had it connected up to the compressor, and it all seals up, and I've had it to like 90 psi, and it all seals up and everything. It's got no leaks. It's fantastic. I haven't tried it sandblasting yet, but I mean the thing is, it's basically air and sand, and then the valves will do their thing, and you have to sort of play with the valves and make sure. I think the main thing is to make sure this lower valve isn't fully open. They get clogging problems then. But no, it's got a good water trap on it and everything. We've got this is your main air incoming valve here, so you turn that one on and off to to stop the air coming in, and then this one here regulates the air actually going down to the nozzle, and then obviously the nozzle which is here, and then obviously you've got the one on the nozzle and the one underneath. So basically, I mean, you have this one wide open, and then the others, I think, probably just feed them in until you get a nice flow on the end. I will probably change this end nozzle, the actual the one where the sand comes out, this one here, the end of the hose, for one of these called a dead man. But no, the only modification I've made is I've cable tied the hose up here to the front leg, otherwise it drags on the ground. So yeah, we'll get using it in a couple of days and see what it's like. I'm going to sandblast that front axle with it, if I can get it to work. So thanks for watching guys. As I say, this came from a company called, I did say, I can't remember, Man Gear or something it's called, and yeah, it's It's really, really good. It's made by a company called KMS, and as I say, it's $89.99, and the machine mark equivalent is $167.99, and the only difference I can see with the machine mark one is you get a sieve. So bloody expensive sieve. Thanks for watching, guys.